CBONO Food Heat Pump Dryer. The drying chamber measures 7,200 millimeters in length, 4,200 millimeters in width, and 3,000 millimeters in height. Fans on both sides and shore material. Uniformity and optimal design. It can batch dry 1,000 kilograms of food, such as meat, fruits, vegetables, noodles, fish, and more. The machine is equipped with two 7-horsepower heat pumps for heating and dehumidification. This food dryer is configured with 24 fans. Food is placed in the middle of the chamber via trolleys, while fans on both sides continue slide blow hot air toward the food, thereby completing the dehydration task. Next, we will continue to showcase our food dryer. Welcome to follow CBONO Food Dryer.